Hey everyone, comb the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and grab a section of the hair from the left side, drop it into the left loop and do the same for the right side and make it come down and grab another strip of hair from the left and drop it into this loop we created and have another heightened shape and comb the remaining hair, making the shape even and covering the rubber bands. Out of your gorgeous hair, make a lovely ponytail and after that create a gap using your finger behind the ponytail and drop the tail into it, make it come down, tighten a little bit, drop the tail into it and drop the entire tail into the first loop and have it come down and split them into two and have it covered under the lump and drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Once again, go for a lovely ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and create a gap using your finger. Bring the tail from bottom to top and make it come down. Tighten a little bit and pinch out the hair on the top section for making the loopy design. Then after that, have a rubber band, attach the middle part of the tail and stretch the middle one as a bun and move the tail into it, making it as a bun and drop in your pretty hairpin. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and have a rubber band attach top middle part, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Then grab the sides of your hair right below the first one we had and have it tied with the rubber band. Create a loop and drop the tail into it and make the entire tail go into the first loop we had, remember? And decorate it with your lovely hairpin out of what you collected. Comb the side sections of the hair and tie it together with a rubber band and drop it inside to get a twisted band twice. Then grab another section of the hair right below the first one and tie it with another rubber band and drop it inside twice as we did before. Do it one more time, then drop in your favorite hairpin in between the braids gap, making it lovely. Split your lovely hair into two sections at the back and have it split them into three parts equally and then have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the same braiding from top to bottom and have the end secure with a rubber band. Then move on to the other braid and do the same braiding as we did before with four parts and have the end secure with another rubber band. That's it, we are done it. Grab the sides of your hair, tie it together with a rubber band and drop it inside for a twisted band. And grab a strip of hair from the left side and drop it into the right loop on the right side and combine them together over the first tail with another rubber band. That's it. Save the side sections of the hair for later with a section of the hair at the back. Make a ponytail and split the tail into two parts and have each of them into four parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Do the same braiding on the right side and combine both the braids together at the bottom with another rubber band. Stuff the tail into the middle one, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Then on the section of the hair at the left, have a rubber band attached to it. Create a loop using your finger. Drop the tail into it. Have it come underneath the bun. Then for the right side, bring the hair as such and have it underneath the bun as we did for the left. And drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Comb the left section of the hair, split them into two parts and have it braided 3 or 4 times and do the same braiding on the right side and combine both the braids together with another rubber band. Then with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail, make a ponytail, have a rubber band attach top middle part and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and stuff the tail into the middle, making it as a bun, move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a lovely hairpin out of your collection. Split your lovely hair into two sections and have each of them into 4 parts and have a rubber band attach the middle one and drop the tails into each of them. And after that, have the first tail go into the second loop and continue doing the same. Then after that, move on to the third and fourth one. Drop the fourth tail into the third one and have it tighten a little bit as we did before and drop in your favorite hairpins. Thank you everyone for watching this video.